Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer bacon wrapped chicken tenders. Let's begin. We have here 1 pound of chicken tenderloin, and let's open it up. Let's take them out. There we go. Next we're going to season it with some salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, paprika, and lastly some ground black pepper. Looking good. Next we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. There we go, we seasoned both sides. We have here some bacon from Hormel. Let's open it up. Next, we're going to take a strip of bacon and wrap it around the chicken tenderloin. Just like that. We're going to grab another piece. Start from the smaller end and wrap it around the chicken tenderloin. There we go. Last one. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the bacon wrapped chicken tenders. There we go, we have all the chicken tenders in the basket. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. We're close to the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking good. Flip them over. And now let's put it back in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Take them out. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer bacon wrapped chicken tenders. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.